I need to get my nutrition under control. How thick?
Today's daylight savings time. It's dark out. It's not even 6 o'clock yet. You can't tell me that it's not 10 o'clock at night, but we are going to meal prep tonight. I'm gonna go to the store. I'm gonna pick out some recipes. My favorite way of picking out recipes is just to close my eyes and go like this through Pinterest and then pick one. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna write down our ingredients. We're gonna go shopping. We're gonna meal prep for a whole week. Okay, we're just gonna start with dinner for now and some healthy snacks. I can't change everything all at once, so we're taking baby steps. We're meal prepping dinner for the week only tonight.
Kitten mittens!
Good morning. I know that cereal and milk is not like top-notch healthy. However, it's better for me than whatever I would have had at Dunkin' Donuts. It's also better for my wallet. So I bought some cereal yesterday. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna actually cut out the eating sounds because I cannot stand eating sounds. Not bad, honestly. 7 out of 10. Is this a castle? A dilapidated castle?
I guess this is gonna be a part drive with me. I'm sitting in the passenger seat because I'm waiting for something to be ready. I just didn't feel like walking all the way around my car to the driver's side. Oh, I have to pay, and I have another pickup after this. Literally had my Wheaties this morning and I am hungry. Give me like 2 minutes, lady. I still have to pee. This lady needs my spot. Hold on. I made it to my next destination after that lady took my parking spot. So that was in downtown Boston. I'm currently in Revere. Actually, I think it's technically Everett that I'm in, but I'm there if you know Boston at all. Can you see me? I just dropped off a wood sample. I'm doing a thing related to asbestos testing. I'm making deliveries as best as I can. This is one of my favorite deliveries, not because of the asbestos factor, but because of the fact that this is a known bathroom spot. What vlog is this? Is this a food vlog? If so, I've got something for it. I still have one more drop off to go, but my stomach is rumbling. And in this part of town, there is a McDonald's, there is a Wendy's, there is a Burger King. The temptation to go through a drive-through, there's a Starbucks there, a Dunk's there, like, I'm not even joking, there's a Starbucks and a Dunkin'. This is not the healthiest option, but there is a Be Good. My meal prepping, I sort of got a breakfast thing. I didn't have my big sugary coffee today, so we're doing well. And I've got my roasted vegetable rice bowl for this evening. The sauce, oh my god, the sauce that I made is so good. It's the Beyond Burger, so it's not even real meat. So like, you know how burgers from McDonald's are like thin and squished down? Look how thick. She's thick. I have my water bottle. Just the sandwich. And it's pretty good and it's satisfying. And they toasted the bun. Do you get a toasted bun at McDonald's? No. They probably paint it to look like it's toasted. Well, I finished my lunch on the way. I'm currently at an office park. Unicorn Office Park? I'm not even joking. It's called Unicorn Park Drive. Or Unicorn. Who named this? Why? The crevasse. Oh hey, somehow I lucked out and I got a sweet little run going in the direction of home. Because it's a run, I don't really need to like check in with the office at all, unless there are any issues that I can't figure out myself. My victory run. And it's sad because like the sun's already setting and it's like 2 o'clock. This is BS. Also, can you tell me how it's November 7th and my AC is on? That's also BS. It is, oh my god, it is 78 degrees in Massachusetts in November. It's not even 5 o'clock and already the moon is this high. I hate the time change.
It's late. So I know this was a little bit of a shorter, kind of weird video to watch about me resetting my nutrition, but also going on a drive with me, burning out a little bit from content. The dinner that I made for myself, was that good? Was it satisfying? Was it enough? 100%. 100%. It was so delicious. And let me tell you, if you look up a recipe and you decide to skip the sauce, don't skip the sauce. The sauce is where the flavor is. The sauce was, it's kind of like nutty and sweet, like mostly tahini, but there's also balsamic in there, maple syrup, garlic, nutritional yeast. The gods of random Pinterest picking were with me this week. I mean, you've seen on here how crazy my schedule can be. And sometimes I don't get home until really late at night, and then I either don't eat dinner or I eat crap. Or I eat what Colin made. Now, I've said before, Colin is a genius in the kitchen. I don't think I've actually cooked for myself since like the summer. He's been just cooking and being awesome, and I've sort of fallen into this habit of being like, well, Colin will make something tasty, and oh, it is tasty. Is it always healthy? Last night he made this amazing pasta dish, which was full of like butternut squash cream sauce, and guys, it was so delicious. And there was cheese on top. Like my mouth is watering just thinking of it. He also put a side of kale, so I guess it was kind of healthy. But was it successful? Yeah. And honestly, like, because I put in the effort to eat well and like cook for myself in the evening, I'm not gonna lie and say that I went to Sweet Green and that every lunch was healthy, but it made me like stop and think about my food choices for more than 5 seconds. I haven't like eaten anything like super unhealthy this week, which like if you saw my videos from before, like there were onion rings and tuna melts and like all sorts of delicious food, but also junk food. Sort of restarting and like getting in the flow of like going food shopping for myself, making myself dinners. That sort of carries over into the day when I'm thinking about my lunch choices. And then breakfast is easy. Breakfast is just cereal, milk, and coffee. So I think we are on the road to success.